tips from Maximilius. Hi, myself Barsha Chajid. I am the career counselor of Maximilius. Today, I am going to explain few things on Java Microsoft training job support for corporate and individual. Maximilius is one of the best online Java microservices job support company. Whether implementing new product or upgrading your current environment, Max can provide remote Java microservices job support for the functional and technical aspects of your project. We ensure your project's success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone, and communication issues experienced when offshoring project role. More efficient and cost-effective services from dedicated Java microservices freelancers who know your business and your system. Hire Java Microservices Freelancer for implementation consulting and outsourcing of Java Microservices project. Hire Java Microservices Freelancer and get Java Microservices freelance support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Java Microservices Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Java microservices work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solution resources and training. Moving on to the next, we have introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range, and why maximum is. We will be covering these aspects in this session. Java Microservices Freelancer for Java Microservices support. If you are working on Java Microservices product and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Java Microservices project, then Max Munis is just a call or email away to provide you Java Microservices help. We provide Java Microservices online job support for professionals and to help them perform their tasks on Java Microservices product. We have a wide range of microservices subject matter experts, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as Java Microservices Freelancer. We provide Java Microservices job support to individual as well as corporate client. For individual, we provide Java Microservices Freelancer who will do Java Microservices job support or Java Microservices project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate client, we provide a Java Microservices Freelancer who provide project support for their IT project. Our Java Microservices Freelancer can provide end-to-end Java Microservices project support as well as Java Microservices implementation support. Java Microservices Freelancer are available in your time zone. It can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online Java microservices job support services. We receive your inquiry for Java microservices online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you're using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide services and you have to make the payment to get the services from us. We will fix the timing for the Java microservices job support or Java microservices help as mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Java microservices consultant available who can provide end-to-end complete Java microservices implementation support in your project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and rest all will be done by Max Minus and US project start. flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best Java microservices job support company and the best website to hire Java microservices freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plan which will help the employee to find and hire Java microservices freelancer as per their need. Even Java microservices implementation support in highly complex projects is also possible. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Java microservices job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So, this plan is for those who want our services on a ticket basis. Paper hour. If you have some technical issues in your job and you want to Java microservices help from our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize this hourly plan. Take online Java microservices job support for required hour and pay only for those hour consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need Java microservices help, then our expert provide continuous guidance to in solving all the issue and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online Java microservices job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth Java microservices freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issue wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step Java microservices installation guide and will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solution in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Java microservices job support immediately. Our expert will be available on time and immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize Java microservices freelancer services for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us and you will be able to do 24/7 tracking of Java microservices project. It will be ultimate cost-effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling with data and security challenges. Java Microservices Project Consulting Range. Max Munis provide customized Java microservices job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Max Munis is considered as best freelancer Java microservices consulting company and the best Java microservices implementation support partner for its client. Max Munis has expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource Java microservices projects to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultant for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other team. Technical consulting including application database administrator and project manager to provide overall management of your project. Our freelance Java microservices crew has deep expertise in product and solution, has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the areas are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization, system optimization, workforce system optimization, and implementation post-implementation support. Now we have dreams. As you know, we have a wide range of Java microservices subject matter expert. They exclusively work with us as Java Microservices Freelancer. We provide Java microservices project support to individual as well as corporate client. For individual, we provide Java microservices freelancer who will do Java microservices job support or Java microservices project support in their projects remotely via online. For corporate client, we provide a Java microservices freelancer who provide project support for their IT project. Our Java microservices freelancer can handle end-to-end Java microservices implementation as well as Java microservices project support. Hire Java Microservices Freelancer and get Java Microservices Freelance support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Java Microservices Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Java microservices work and never exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Best website to find and hire Java Microservices Freelancer. Java microservices refer to a software architectural style that structures an application as a collection of small loosely coupled and independently deployed services. These services are designed to focus on specific business functionalities and communicate with each other through well-defined APIs. Here are some key characteristics and aspects of Java microservices. Decomposition of monolithic application. Java microservices aim to break down large monolithic application into smaller, manageable services. Each service is responsible for a specific function or feature. Max Minus Java Microservices Support. Max Minus is Java Microservices project consulting company. Java Microservices project support for corporate and Java support for individual via Java Microservices Freelancer or Java Microservices Implementation. Outsource Java Microservices project and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of IT solution, offering system, implementation solution, resources and training. Talking about Java Microservices project consulting, Max Munoz is 15-year-old trustworthy Java Microservices project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get customized Java microservices job support to individual in their project. Java microservices support for corporate. We have customized Java microservices project support as per company's Java microservices project requirement. Company will be having flexibility to choose location, mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Java microservices freelancer from a pool to professional subject matter expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Java microservices implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employees to start working on the projects from day one. Java microservices support benefits individual person. Customized support adds individuals Java microservices project requirement get complete Java microservices job support. We will help employee to start working on the project from day one on Java microservices project. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Java microservices project as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter expert to provide Java microservices job support for your Java microservices project. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your Java microservices project. Java microservices market opportunity. Let's talk about current microservices market opportunity. I have written top best job sites from USA, UK, Europe, and India. You will apply and get Java microservices job support across the globe. And wherever you stuck in project, we are there with you. Hire Java microservices freelancer and get customized Java microservices support in online or remotely. These are the top clients for whom we have already provided Java microservices job support in India as well as outside India. Microservices support across the globe. Max Minus has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancer Java microservices support for implementation and outsourcing project for individual and corporate clients. Get Java microservices support across the globe. Hire Java microservices freelancer from Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Germany, USA, UK, Netherlands, etc. Why Max Minus? One of the biggest challenges why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing sites is that the most of the relevant set of IT skill professional is not available to work on freelancer. Max Minus is considered the best freelancer Java microservices consulting company. Max Minus has expertise in all the product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. Java microservices as well. Step by step, Java microservices guide and solution on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their product. Hire Java microservices freelancer online or subject matter expert after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT project because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solutions to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter expert or expert Java microservices freelancer, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Max Minus at no cost. The money will be released to Java microservices freelancers or subject matter expert at various level of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion: Java microservices support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Java microservices. On concluding, I may say that hire Java microservices freelancers and get online Java microservices job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Java microservices support as per company's Java microservices project requirement. Industry specific senior subject matter expert will be arranged who know your Java microservices project well in advance and have done very good implementation project on the same. Outsource Java microservices projects and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solution, offering system implementation solution resources and training. Customize Java microservices support or individual for Java microservices job support in their Java microservices project. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for Java microservices job support session, one can definitely reach us through the numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable on WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here, and one can drop on mail on given mail ID contact@maxmenus.com, and one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Java microservices, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire Java microservices job support session with Max Minus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.